Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to be using the Danco Faucet Remodeling Kit for Delta for replacing my faucet handles. This is also good for your leaky faucet. Now I went out the first time and bought the universal small acrylic knobs. And I'm telling you right now, it was an absolute nightmare. They didn't work. But this one here, it's just like the ones I have now. Now I have a mobile home, so sometimes things are a little more challenging. This is one of those times. It comes with two faucets. It comes with two faucet handles, okay, hot and cold, and your little rebuild kit for your leaky faucet. Now, I'm a firm believer, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, and that's what I'm going to go with. Because right now, it's not broke, it's not leaking. So, I'm going to be skipping the part of where I do the cartridge install. I'll show you how to do it. I'm just not going to replace it. But let's go ahead, get in the bathroom, get our new knobs on. Okay, first thing you want to do is shut off your water supply and make sure your water's off. I'm going to start with the hot side. First thing you're going to have to do, well, make sure your drain's closed. Trust me, it makes a difference. Drop the screw. We got to go ahead and get the top piece off. There we go. Just be careful. Now you see why I closed that. Experience. Now you're going to need a small screwdriver. Now, if you're going to replace this, it's real simple. Get a wrench, pair of pliers, something, but be gentle with it. I'm going to screw this part right here. Take this off, and then there is your O-ring and your spring. You just go ahead and pull that out, okay, and replace it with your O-ring and spring. Then you go ahead and you put your little, there we go, put that back on. Tighten that down. Don't get crazy tight. It wasn't crazy tight when you took it off. Get back to what we came for. Now this is only going to go on one way. Okay, see that? So you're going to get your new screw. Put your cap to the side. Place it on top. You want it tight, but you don't want it crazy tight. Now, you want to go ahead and replace this other one, but we're not going to do that right now because you see me do one, you know how it goes on. But what you want to do is turn the water on at this point. Okay, I turn the water back on. Now I know that's in the off position. So what I want to do is I want to put my cap on now. And that's all there is to it. And you can see it makes a great difference. It looks a whole lot better. Okay, quick, easy, simple project. Make sure you keep your new screw. The new ones here. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.